Hey there, welcome to Turbo Stacking, where we love stacking precious metals and stacking with purpose. If you love silver and gold and are interested in videos which aim to share experiences in stacking silver and gold, you're in the right place. Here you'll find silver stacking videos covering everything from buying to selling to trading the GSR, to current silver deals, to creating a plan for stacking silver or gold. Stack with purpose means having a plan and an urgency to achieve your goals. I'm Turbo, and I'm passionate about my journey through learning and stacking silver and gold. Come along and join me on this journey. And don't forget to check out my Stacking with Purpose series. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you'll never miss an update. Let's stack with purpose together. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. As you were, Turbo out.